Good morning, everyone. Have you been here to this untouched beauty of this place? Yeah, I'll show you the surroundings. See, and you will hear the ambience of this beautiful place, the sounds of the birds and of the crickets. See, because there's Turatud Point of Barangay Sibaltan, El Nido, Palawan, and these untouched islands of Olinapacan in front of El Nido. And you see, yeah, this is so playful place. See, it's ideal for sports, for sports marathon. And that is a treasure point there. That structures is Eureka Resorts in Sibaltan, and where the next to it, yeah, down to that hill is the super health center of Sibaltan El Nido, and this is the Sibaltan Bay coast. See, yeah. Oh, there's this little girl like shouting for daddy's name. See? Okay. Yeah. This is Sibaltan. And behind this, behind that, this bushy area, yeah, the second lot of this beach lot is where the Twin Beach area residences, subdivision, yeah, and here like that. Hi baby, my girl.
Hi Daddy. Can you call Daddy to the phone? Because Daddy's cannot hear me to the sound.
Oh really? So okay, my love, I'll call him. Okay, you see, that's the sounds of nature. It's like the sounds of silence. You will hear those singing birds behind those trees. See? Yeah. Yan.